Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge here guys, and we'll show you where to find the fuse for your alarm system, also known as PAT system. This is the passive anti-theft system guys. Stay with us and we'll cover all that today. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we'll be making guys at least 200 videos. Why we do all that, why we take our cars completely apart, because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. Now if you guys need to buy any replacement tools, parts, fuses, relays, and you want to get them for a good price and save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. This here guys, it's a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on and we'll demonstrate on. So where is the fuse guys for the PAT system, also known as alarm system or passive anti-theft system guys? You need to find where the pedals are, okay, the footwell here, and if you come in an angle, okay, like that, check it out now, you guys are going to see a fuse box here, but usually it won't be visible like that. It will be guys covered by this cover here. This is the first cover. You need to slide like that and open it. Second guys, you will have another box, okay, this one here, okay, so you need to press on each side, okay, these two things, press in, pull it out. You can see it comes out. Now if you guys need to buy replacement fuses, you can see where we got the whole fuse box for a super good price, fast shipping guys, and also comes with a free fuse puller as a bonus. So really good deal guys. Now what I like about this cover now, you can actually guys see the fuse numbers printed on the back side. Unfortunately guys, you cannot see, okay, what each of the fuse is for, so that's why we decided to make the video and show you that. So first, the fuse that guys that we're looking at, it's fuse number 36. This fuse right here, this is fuse number 36. This is the third row from left to right, 1, 2, 3, and this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fuse under that relay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These guys, 5 fuse right there. So this is fuse number 36. So grab it with the fuse pull, pull it out. You can see it just like that. Now if you guys need to remove it and replace it, again we'll have the link in the description of the video below, but you just grab the new fuse and you install it guys, okay, you just install it in reverse order. We took it apart, and don't forget to install your covers there, okay, so that way you don't lose them and you don't break things. If you guys have any specific questions, leave a comment below guys, we'll try to make a video for your problem. Also if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having problems with the PAT system. We'll have more videos on diagnosing that system, the alarm system, and you can check them out on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.